Hello, everyone. My name is Mary Evans. Today, I want to speak with you about how Tosca helped detect software bugs. We've all dealt with apps and websites that don't work. And I know that's very frustrating for me. So I can imagine it being frustrating for you, the customer, right? And when I say doesn't work, I mean you can click on the login button, it doesn't perform the task that it needs to perform, or the website, it just completely crash on you, right? What we call those as testers, we call those software bugs. And that's a mistake that's written in the code, right? Tosca is a tool that helps find and fix those bugs early on before a website or an app is actually presented to an end user, which is the customer. We're the customer, myself and you. What is Tosca? Tosca is a codeless automation application created by Tricentis, and it lets teams test software without writing code. Instead of typing scripts, what Tosca simply does is I want to say it's a building block. Each block is integrated, but those blocks are steps. So it can be one block can be login, one block can be adding something to a cart, another block can be clicking on the checkout button, another cart can be logging out of a website, right? This is called model based testing, which it makes it faster, it makes it easier, and it's easy to understand, right? Who uses Tosca? Tosca is used in industries such as the healthcare industry, the banking industry, and e-commerce because it saves time, it saves money, and it helps teams work more efficiently and effectively together. I work, I once worked on a team within a company that I work with, and they did manual testing, and I'm on the automation team, so they did manual testing, and I just know that the manual testing takes so long. So what I did was I introduced them to Tosca, and once we began using Tosca, it cut our testing time down in half, like by 50%. So we were able to deliver work faster, efficiently, accurately, and we had happy customers. But I want to also explain why Tosca is so helpful. And it's very clear. Tosca makes testing better. It gives quick feedback. It organizes your test steps clearly. It allows non-technical users to join in, and it reduces the repeated task over and over. For example, if you're testing a login page, Tosca can check the username, the password, or a login button, automatically showing where the issue happens, right? So Tosca can test everyday things like a login process, checking if users can log in successfully, a shopping cart, making sure items add correctly, discounts apply, or checkout works. These small steps help catch problems before real users experience them. Tosca also helps teams work better together. So, like I work in an agile work environment, so I work with developers, other testers, and analysts, right? And we communicate better. Um, we're collaborating better, and they understand the build and how we run tests in Tosca. So this makes, like I said, our communication easier, and it helps avoid mistakes altogether. Now, in conclusion, Tosca helps teams find software bugs faster, and it improves the quality of the apps, websites before they go live, meaning before they go to the end user, which is us, the customers. And it saves time, it saves money, it supports teamwork, and it makes testing easier for everyone involved. Thanks for listening.